Akiaria mabura-ini ma gukungwira miaka 59 kumariria bururi wa Kenya wambiriirie kwiyatha, President William Ruto ni aheanire mwihoko wa gukuria mathako guku bururi-ini rungu rwa mibango itiganite. Rungu rwa mubango wa Talanta Hela, President Ruto augite ati thirikari nene na unyitaniri na thirikari cia kaunti ni ikuruguria mbitika cia maguru matura-ini iria iguteithiriria hari ukuria wa mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini. Mbitika ici iria irimenyekanaga ta bottom up football tournament irarongoreria kuhe mweke mbeu njithi aria matakiritie miaka 19 kuonania mayu na uhoti wao hamwe na ukuria wa taranda ciao, guku finals ya mbitika ici igitanyo guthakagwo thiini wa muthenya wa Jamhuri o mwaka.
Through the revolutionary Talanta Hela plan, we will rebuild and monetize our sports and creative industry. As part of this plan, I will champion a grassroots football development program that will see national government work with county governments to invest heavily in youth football. Arrangements are at an first stage to launch a bottom-up football tournament to be contested by under-19 teams from all 47 counties. We will work with our county governors for each county to build a team right from the ward level.
Kuringana na President Ruto, mubango uyu wa Talanta Hela uri thiini wa kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 na kuria timu ya gibururi ya mubira wa maguru niyo Harambee Stars irerigirira gukanyita itemi thiini wa mbitika cia gikombe kia World Cup, guku Kenya igitanya gukatabania mbitika cia AFCON mwaka wa 2027.
This is the first step in our Football Vision 2030, where we will target our Harambee Stars to play at the 2030 World Cup and Kenya to host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. Together, let us build Kenyan football from the grassroots of our villages to the grand stage of the World Cup. I suggest to the ministry that the finals of these inter-county teams should be held on Jamhuri Day every year so that we can celebrate the teams from across Kenya.
Riu maitho mothe meroreire Minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba hamwe na ministry no kuona kana ciraniro ici ni ikuhinga. Andu-ini ha Kameme iharo-ini getwo Mwangi Ifurahimu.